Hi everyone. So today we have Pioneer KEH-3650. It's from 1990s and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. We kept everything original. So at first I'm gonna test the cassette player, the radio itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch the band mode from FM to middle waves or long waves. Okay, so simply press this button a couple times. Watch the screen. Here we go. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Now we go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple seconds. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. Here it is. Now the Bluetooth is activated. You can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's change the song. It's very simple to use. When you want to back to your normal radio, simply press band button again and you will be back to FM mode again. Now you're back to normal radio. Thumbs up, guys.